Hi, I just wanted to say, I know it's been a while that have been come onto the video, and I wanted to say thank you so much for being a part of the Clean Food Mama community. I am so grateful to be on a plant-based journey with you. I want to share some exciting news coming is our holiday recipe guide is out. It's going to be coming out via email. So if you are not an email subscriber, you're going to want to sign up, and I will put the link in the comments and also in the stories so you can sign up to access this guide. It's going to be a free guide. And one thing that we're going to be showing you is how to make some plant based dishes that you can bring to a holiday gathering or that you can cook on your own at your holiday gathering. So it will include 13 different recipes, everything from vegan stuffed mushrooms to maple cranberry sauce to some desserts and a mulled cider drink. It also will include a itemized grocery list so you can know areas of the grocery store to be able to shop. Makes it a little easier for you. And then each of the recipes have the ingredients, the directions, special little notes that help make it a more wonderful dish for you and your guest or family. And also, and again, there will be things like dippers and other recipes. So I'm really, really, really excited to be able to share this with you. And I hope that you have an amazing holiday. And remember that Clean Food Mama is here as a resource for you. I'm here as a resource for you. And I hope that you have an amazing week. And thank you for being a part of the Clean Food Mama community.